Utlangaha News, the Fusion Talk. Be the first to get the latest news on your YouTube news channel. Catch the spark at your fingertip on your mobile.
Greetings from Veena to all my Utlangaha viewers. Dear friends, we are starting a new segment called Udhedbun on our YouTube news channel Utlangaha News.
Whatever your concern may be, we are here to set you free. Kill off all your doubts from the root through Utlangaha's Udhedbun program.
In this program, we will address social, political and financial issues to find solution and to bring awareness among public. We will address each issue in detail with as many episodes as it may require to understand better.
Whatever your concern may be, we are here to set you free. Kill off all your doubts from the root through Utlangaha's Udhedbun program.
Today, we are starting with a social issue, that is traffic rule violations, and in that we will be addressing do not drink and drive rule. Please watch full episode along with your family and do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.
Whatever your concern may be, we are here to set you free. Kill off all your doubts from the root through Utlangaha's Udhedbun program.
When we move out of our home, quite apparently we face a busy traffic, and if you want to be safe, then you ought to follow the traffic rules. What are traffic rules? Traffic rules and regulations are made for the safety of road users, formulated by country's government. Every country has its own way of punishing people for disobeying traffic rules. So, every motorist and pedestrian must adhere to traffic rules. Hey, wait! There is a red signal and you need to stop. Unfortunately, majority of people violate traffic rules like this, which may lead to hefty fines and fatal accident. Everyone knows about traffic rules, but nobody bothers about it. According to sources, India is home to 22 cars for every 1,000 individuals. It represents a massive number of vehicles considering India's population. The traffic authorities often face immense difficulties in maintaining law and order with so much traffic on the country's roads. In today's episode, we will explore one such important traffic rule in India and also observe how it is broken by the public along with its consequences and penalty levied thereafter. So, shall we hit the road? First and foremost, do not drink and drive. All of us know that alcohol can impair thinking, reasoning and muscle coordination, which is necessary for safe driving. Alcohol can hamper your decision-making abilities. In such condition, if a person drives the vehicle, it may result in overspeeding, failing to obey traffic rules, not using turn signals or headlights at night, and failing to see pedestrian in crossing areas. So, why do people drink and drive? Though majority drivers are aware of do not drink and drive rule, but totally unaware of the fact that its legal alcohol limit is 30 mg for 100 ml of blood and the legal drinking age ranges from 18 to 25 years old. Hey bro, you have drunk too much. Why don't you take a cab and go home? Young people's habit of partying, drinking and then driving inevitably like this worsens the situation. As we all belong to a well-educated and responsible society, we must ensure that we are safe drivers and not exceed the drink and drive limit. So, what are the common accidents caused by drink and driving? Can contribute to different types of crashes such as rear-end accidents, T-bone accidents, head-on collisions, and vehicle rollovers. It can also create road hazards such as failing to take safety precautions in bad weather such as rain or fog and drive recklessly. Let us have a look at the present scenario of drunk driving in India. According to statistics, around 19 Indians are killed daily due to drunk driving road accidents. As per the report, drunk driving was solely responsible for 8,355 road accidents and 3,322 deaths. Such a pity that even being aware of the consequences and multiple efforts put by the traffic police department, people are ignoring traffic rules at the cost of their and others' life on road. Now, we will see what are the punishments and penalties levied under drink and driving rule. As per the Motor Vehicle Act, driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs is punishable. For the first offence with imprisonment for term ranging up to 6 months to 7 years, and if an individual fails to pass BAC test, he or she can be fined between Rs 2,000 and Rs 10,000 on the final blood alcohol limit. It is high time that public should be aware of traffic rules and follow them religiously. Drive safe, live safe. Safe driving, safe living. Drive safe, be safe.
Utlangaha News, the Fusion Talk. Be the first to get the latest news on your YouTube news channel. Catch the spark at your fingertip on your mobile.